stalking through the woods. Well, hello there, good people. Hi, it's Jason from Green Country Agroforestry here, and it is mid to late August, and it's just about the right time for our pears to start coming ripe, but they're not quite ripe yet. Maybe next week. I got something special to show you with that. But in the meantime, I want you to come along with me. We're going to have a look at some Sambucus canadensis growing in the wild. Well, beside the road. Nobody's tending it, so it's sort of wild. Anyway, let's have a look. Today we're going to take the lovely walking trail that you see here behind me. And behind me, it's the this is where the old KD railroad line used to run, and after they closed down, the land was sold off to Tulsa County Parks Department, and they used it to build this lovely bike path. So yeah, we're going to use that to get us down where we're going, and then we're going to do a little bit of trespassing. See, we're on what used to be a railroad easement right now, and the place where we're going, ooh, the palm trees behind me. Place where we're going is also on a railroad easement. Just the new railroad, not the railroad that used to be here. Every time I drive by this thing, I've been turning and looking. I'm driving down, slowing down and turning and looking to see if it has berries on it. And today I've noticed that we've got some purple color, so it's a good day to have a look. And we'll see if the berries are ripe or not. Okay, so here we go. We got to the point where we're getting ready to step off the road. We're off the bike path, and over there behind me is the elderberry. Let's go take a look. Alrighty, so this plant right here is called Sambucus canadensis. It's an American elderberry. It's a bush that's very plentiful and well, growing right here in a ditch beside the road. You can tell that we've got berries on it that have turned purple right here. The question is, are they ripe or are they not ripe? And the way you tell is by taking a berry out of that cluster and bring it right up here. It has a nice purple skin. And whenever they're ripe, the juice is purple too. So if I squeeze this berry and the juice is watery, then it's not ripe yet. If I squeeze the berry and it turns purple, then they'll be ripe. So here we go. Purple juice means the berries are ripe. And ready to be cooked. Well, all right, good people, that's all I got for you today. As always, if you found the video informative or entertaining, you know what to do. I'll catch you next time. But until then, get out there and get growing.